In a far-off land, there lived a superhero named Ben Grimm, known to the world as the Thing. But to his friends, he was just Ben. One night, Ben dreamt of a world where he could turn back into a human. He longed for soft skin and cool breezes on his face. The next morning, he woke up with a plan. He decided to ask his friend Reed Richards, the genius scientist, for help. Reed listened to Ben's dream, scratched his beard, and said, "I believe I can create a serum, but it will take time and resources." With the help of his fellow Fantastic Four members, Sue and Johnny, they began to work on the serum. They collected the necessary ingredients and set up the lab. Sue used her powers to create a protective bubble around the lab to ensure their work wouldn't be disturbed. Johnny, with his fiery powers, kept the lab warm. Days turned into weeks, and the work was tough. But Ben's determination never wavered. He was eager to return to his human form. Finally, the day came when Reed held up a small vial. "Here it is, Ben. A serum to transform you back into a human." Ben closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and drank the serum. As he waited, his heart pounded with anticipation. Slowly, he felt his rocky skin soften. His eyes opened wide as he felt the cool breeze on his face. He was a human once more. But as he rejoiced, he realized that being the Thing had taught him valuable lessons. He was grateful for the strength that came with being different. From that day forward, Ben Grimm, the human once more, lived his life with newfound appreciation for who he was. And every night, he dreamt of when he would transform into the Thing again, for he knew that being the Thing was a part of who he was forever. The end.